Our big day is finally here. Waking up today has never felt so right. Today I get to marry my best friend. I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you.
6 years ago on a Friday night in August, my life changed forever. I will never forget seeing you for the first time, walking out on the patio crazy horse, beer in hand. I saw you and I just had to know you. 1 week later on our first date, I knew you were it. Simple as that.
You bring out the best in me. You challenge me to be my best, and you always support me in everything that I do. Our future is very bright. I look forward to growing old with you. I look forward to having a family with you.
We've gone through so much together, like our first home, picking up Bullet, traveling to the East Coast, and our many ski trips. No matter what we are doing, I always have a blast with you. I love this beautiful life we've built together. You're my ride or die, my rock, my home. I love you more than words in this letter can express. I'm so excited to see you at 3 o'clock today. You're my 1 in 7 billion, Jamie. Love you past the stars. Always, Erin.
See you on the bridge. Love you past the stars. Your husband, Jamie.
Welcome, everyone. We are thrilled that so many of you could make it here today. I grew up in Wakefield and helped support the rebuilding of this very bridge. The McClelland land and the town of Wakefield means so much to our family, and when Erin and Jamie became engaged, Jamie knew how much it meant to my granddaughter to exchange their vows in a place that means so much to Erin. Once you find someone who makes every single day of your life better, who makes every single day more enjoyable, then you can't let them go. And I would know, having been married to Erin's grandmother for 62 years. I know what it means to hold on to that one person.
Jamie, 6 years ago today, at a little after midnight, you dropped me off after our first date. And if someone told me then that 6 years from today would be our wedding day, I would have believed them. I have never connected with another human being so quickly and so closely like I have with you. You have brought so much love and joy into my life. You've made me feel safe, and you've made me feel like I have somebody who I can always call my home.
Erin, how did I ever get so lucky? Our journey over the past 6 years has led us to the best day of my life, today. You have given me life's greatest gift, love. You're the most generous, compassionate, caring, and loving person I've ever known. Who you are makes it easier to love you every day. It makes me fall in love with you all over.
I vow to always stand by you through everything that life will throw at us. I promise to be honest, faithful, and always be your girl. But most of all, I vow to always choose you, Jamie, no matter what. I vow to love you day in and day out with every piece of my heart.
Today and every day, for the rest of our lives, I vow to love you unconditionally and to hold you to the highest regard. I promise to support your dreams and to respect our differences. I promise that one day we will have a family, and I will love, support, nurture, and protect them as long as I live. I choose you today, and I will choose you tomorrow, and I will always choose you for the rest of our lives. You are my once-in-a-lifetime love. You will forever be my girl, and I will always love you.
Jamie and Erin, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jamie, you may kiss my granddaughter.
I knew there was something special about Erin after Jamie went on a few dates with her, and he couldn't stop smiling ear to ear and bragging about how much fun he was having. I can see that smile here today, as I'm sure all you can too. Erin, you look stunning this evening. We'd like to welcome you to our family. You're a beautiful couple, and you couldn't have had a more perfect wedding day. To Jamie and Erin.
My big sister Erin has always been my #1 role model, my absolute best friend, and one of my biggest supporters. Erin taught me so many of life's lessons. More than anything, however, Erin and Jamie together have taught me what true love looks like and how important it is to always choose each other each and every day. Suddenly, quietly, you realize that from this moment forth, you will no longer walk through this life alone. Like a new sun, this awareness arises within you, freeing you from fear and opening your life. It is the beginning of love and the end of all that came before.
Jamie, as Dad has said, we are so proud of the man you have become, confident, driven, and takes great pride in all he does.
Erin, you're a strong, hardworking, and energetic young woman. You keep Jamie focused and on track and motivated in whatever it is he's doing. That balance that you have works perfectly. We look forward to watching you guys grow individually and as a couple.
Erin, and I saw you at the cottage today, it was like, wow, you look radiant, you look absolutely stunning today. Jamie, your kindness, love, and affection that you show Erin truly shows both Lori and I how much you love her. There's no doubt that one day you will be an amazing father. And if you should also be so fortunate to be blessed with a daughter, please always remember that her mother is our little girl. And one day you will also stand here as I am giving her away. We love you and welcome to the McClelland family. Wishing you both a lifetime of love and happiness.